Evie, what happened to your hair? Bella cut it with scissors? When did you do that?
He asked for it, that's why I did it.
It's crazy.
Oh no.
What is he doing? Are you ready to get your first haircut? Is that a yes?
Yes, Daddy.
Are you shy right now? Are you ready?
You ready?
Here's the first cut. Oh, don't go a little too crazy. You gotta stay still. Look downwards. Look down. Yep.
Looking like that, okay?
First cuts, Evie. There they are.
Okay, hold on.
I see you. I see you in the mirror. So pretty.
Even, you know, so
Yeah.
not too short.
Yeah.
You know?
You look so pretty. Let me see that hair.
Look at in the mirror, okay? Look at your hair.
No, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look at that's your new hair short.
Look at.
That's how long your hair is
Shorter, but
now.
not too short. It's shorter,
Yeah.
but not too short.
And you got a nice little braid.
Do you like it? Do you like your hair?
What are you doing?
Look at this rocket house.
Let me see it. Oh, it's a Geo. Look at that beast. It's got purple crystals on it. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Do you know what lake we're at right now?
Michigan.
Lake Michigan. And there's an Evie shoe. Are you going out for a swim? You probably can't hear me.
I'm going out for swim.
You're going out for a swim? All right, see ya. Oh, he's eating the sand again. Gosh, he just keeps eating sand. Yeah, it's Aki. Are you screaming at the waves?
Look at this one.
No, just find another one.
Ah!
Evie, do you know what this place is called?
I saw a funny tree.
No, it's the Rainforest Cafe.
It's a funny tree.
Wait, did she say I saw a funny tree cafe?
Yeah, I saw Funny Tree Cafe. That's the new name of this place. Really, look how big your pizza is. Little rascal sliders. Leo, you got your chicken tenders? Oh, and popcorn shrimp? Ow! Is that a butterfly? Oh, it's so pretty.
He's trying to eat your food.
We lost Bella? No, we didn't lose Bella. Here she comes. Are you gonna get the alligator? Or are you gonna just go get everybody? There he goes.
He's gonna demolish everything.
Oh.
He's gonna throw it away.